Every year, more than 100 million surgeries are performed in the US and also worldwide. So in some situations, bleeding can come from hard to reach areas, so it's very difficult to control.
This patent covers a product that was needed in the marketplace many years ago for use of achieving hemostasis during surgery. It's a flowable material that can be applied to anatomical regions that would otherwise be very difficult to reach.
Because it's a flowable hemostat, it allows it to go into tiny fissures and cracks, and for spine surgery, places where you couldn't fit a piece of fabric or a tool or something like that, where bleeding is in a very small area, and with it being flowable, it allows it to go into that space and stop the bleeding, which then allows the surgeon to keep moving forward with the surgery. Ease
of use was the biggest criteria. We had basic materials on hand that were used in other ways but were cumbersome. They were using them, but it was taking time, it was difficult. And so we came back with the challenge of taking these materials and making them into a product that was ready to use. It could be delivered directly from a syringe at the time of surgery and save the surgeon time and aggravation.
You know, since simple syringes are well known in surgical fields, and we wanted to sort of stay with that kind of device, that sort of pushed us into what can we do to make it so it can be flowable with the forces that we would or less forces that we would expect to see there.
If we could get it down to they just hand it to the surgeon, that would be a huge improvement.
The uniqueness of this composition of this patent is also it's sterilization stable. So after sterilization, you can still maintain the optimal properties of this paste. So sterilization is important during surgery. So you need to make the product sterile so that it can not compromise the outcomes.
For me, it's very humbling, very honored to get the Edison Award. He's always been a great inspiration to anybody that's an engineer or scientist in that field.
His passion to the invention of new things and his perseverance has been the driving force for my career.
Thomas Edison has been a role model and a hero for most inventors and scientists. It's just very humbling and very honored to be a part of this process and to be receiving this award.